Hi and welcome to this quick introduction to prefab. Prefab is a tool that's built specifically for FEM-Design, and its main purpose is to take your FEM-Design model with all the information it has regarding external loads, reactions, connection forces, etc. and make it presentable for the element designer. Now, prefab gets this information from the FEM-Design model and will then offer some export options that you can use to present this data. An example of how it's treated. So FEM-Design for a simple elevation like this will show you connection forces, internal forces for the anchorage, and so on. And we represent it like this. So this is an example that's based on FEM-Design with elastic compression zones. This is the most like FEM-Design solution that you can choose. And you'll see it has exactly the same forces for the anchorage. It also has the exact same resultants forces and placement inside for the compression zones. Now the distribution might look slightly different because it is treated, so it's easier to post-process. Now we offer a different set of solutions for treatment of the data. There are two different ways, two different methods. Primarily it's based on FEM-Design and it's a new optimized distribution. They are all different and you can read more about it on the wiki page if you like to. The main export option is the PDF file format. It's an interactive PDF and it will include information about floor plans, elevations, beams and columns and so on. You can see here an example of what is possible to include in the PDF. Another main export option is the exporting back to FEM-Design. This is really helpful for workflows. It will allow you to export reactions so you can do foundation design checks based on the prefab treated data, and it will also allow you to export all the walls with the loading along the edges. Now this is one where we allow for 3 different types of export, and they all differ in how they would suit your workflow. And they're all available through easy export, and you can also get this just specifically for a specific set of elevations, wall elements directly from the viewer. Another important export option is the log prefab file. And now this log prefab file is meant for you to deliver to the designer. It will log all the basic assumptions, so the method of data treatment that you have chosen will be logged and is not possible to change. But then using prefab, they can export exactly the same stuff. So the PDFs, they can export back to FEM-Design. Also the Excel option is also there. But they can choose themselves however they think fits their workflow the best. A prefab fits a variety of FEM-Design models. It can be a small elevation, it can also be a medium building, it can also be a huge structure. It doesn't really matter. So it's just say a generic solution that fits and adapts to the FEM-Design model. If you think this is interesting, you'd like to know more, then head to the webpage and search for your local sales representatives. I'm happy that you watched this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day. Bye.